One data point, three different ways. Today, I'm going to show you how you can visualize your evaluation data. So I have a big stack of information that I have to make sense of for an upcoming presentation. This is something we all deal with when we're trying to convey evaluation data to other people. Today, I'm going to show you how you can take one data point and recreate three different visuals. Now, as a data visualizer, if that's a word, you often think that there's a best way to visualize data, and that's often not true. What's best is best for your target audience. So I just conducted a statewide survey of youth in the Minnesota 4-H program. And out of that survey, I learned that 75% of youth were participating in community service as part of their 4-H experience. That's something that we are proud of, that so many youth are getting community service experience. So I have a stakeholder that I want to share that information with next week. Here are three ways that I could do it. First way is a big number. Highlight that percentage. 75% of youth took part in a community service project. This is the simplest way to share data, but it's often the most powerful, and it's really sticky because you just have a big, huge number that people are staring at. So don't think that just putting the plain data point as your main finding is boring. It's actually really sticky. Option number 2 is to do a stacked bar chart. So here you're showing the percentage of young people that are giving back and the percentage that aren't. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial and show you how in Excel I created this visual in just a couple of seconds. My final strategy is an icon array. And this is a visualization that brings the data down to even more basic levels. So 75%, some people understand, most people will understand that, but 3 out of 4, almost everyone, even my 5-year-old is going to understand that 3 out of 4 youth had this experience. So with an icon array, I get an icon that looks the same, and I make 3 of them, in this case, green, and 1 of them black or white, depending on my visual, to show that 3 out of 4 youth had this experience. Icon arrays are really easy to create. So all you need to do is find an image that you like. I often shop at the Noun Project for icons, or you can have an add-in in most Microsoft programs where you have some small icons. Do something simple, especially if you're going to do some with a lot, because I've sometimes done this with 100 little icons and I've shaded in 90 of them or something like that, or 10 of them and shaded in 9 of the icons. So you don't want the icon to be overly busy, or else it's too hard for your audience to interpret the information. So how do you decide which one you're going to use? Again, think about your target audience. What do they care about? What do they want to know about? And then my number one tip is start drawing. Get out a piece of paper and draw some different ideas of what that information could look like. Then head over to your computer and start creating your beautiful visuals. So which visual do you like best? Comment below and let me know. And good luck creating graphs and charts and visuals that help to draw in your target audience.